Are cabin filters important? Yes. Okay, guys. A lot of people miss out their cabin filters on a service. They're usually down in the passenger footwell. I buy mine on Amazon. Okay, this one cost me about £14, I think. But they're important, guys. Honest, and a lot of people actually never ever change them for the whole life of the car. So if your car is a couple of years old and you've never done one, just stick one in on your next service, guys. And they'll keep obviously the air inside your vehicle a lot cleaner, and obviously all the emissions from other cars when you're driving up a motorway on a road coming in. This will help filter out a lot of the crap that comes in with that air as well. So don't forget your cabin filter. Okay, some people call them a pollen filter. They're known as cabin filters, but don't forget yours.